Here's how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Now here you can see I have my Instagram account on my iPhone, but it works the exact same on an Android. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right, and here you can see I have a professional account. The reason why we know is because it says I have a professional dashboard here. So if you do have a professional dashboard, you either have a creator or a business account, and we can switch it over to a personal account if you wanted to, especially if you wanted to set it private. To be able to do that, we need to get to your settings. So tap on the three lines at the top right here. And after you've done that, scroll down until you get to the section that says For Professionals. And we're going to choose Account Type and Tools. And now you can see at the top it says, again, I have a professional account, business, or creator. Just tap on Account Type. And now for whatever reason, they made it fairly small, but you're going to choose this blue button, Switch Account Type. After you've done that, you can see at the bottom, I can switch to a personal account. And you can see switch to personal account. Now, I'll show you that it worked because after it goes through this process, all we need to do is go back to your profile here and then just swipe down and you can see professional dashboard is now missing and you have a personal account. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too. And thanks for watching.